Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are continuing the vowel ya, which we began in the previous video. We have two more sets to go through, so follow along with us. Let's begin with set 1, word 1. Bi'a, bi'a, bi'a. Hila, hila, hila. Khifa, khifa, khifa. Siqa, siqa, siqa. Shika, shika, shika. Next line. Sida, sida, sida. Next word. Hida, hida, hida. Next word. Ila, ila, ila. Next word. Qila, qila, qila. Next word. Kila, kila, kila. Next word. Iba, iba, iba. Next word. Takidu, takidu, takidu. Tahimu, tahimu, tahimu. Tasihu, tasihu, tasihu. Tahidu, tahidu, tahidu. Tu'idu, tu'idu, tu'idu. Tuniru, tuniru, tuniru. Tushiru, tushiru, tushiru. Turihu, turihu, turihu. Last word. Tamilu, tamilu, tamilu. All right, let's move on to the next set. Set 3. Before we begin, just a reminder now, the words are getting fairly larger, mashallah. And if you've been following us with the videos, we should be able to be reading these words. If we feel uncertain about some of the letters, the sounds, we should go back and watch the old videos. Okay, let's begin with word 1. We got 2 vowels, right, in all of these words. So pay attention to the long sound of the vowels. Aminina, aminina, aminina. Basitina, basitina, basitina. Tabi'ina, tabi'ina, tabi'ina. Thabitina, thabitina, thabitina. Ja'ilina, ja'ilina, ja'ilina. Next line. Halimina, halimina, halimina. Shahidina, shahidina, shahidina. Da'ina, دائمين. Stop here for a moment, because in this word, remember the you see the alif, right, on this like little stand here. Whenever you see the alif or the hamza of the alif on a letter or on anything, it's pronounced as an alif. So remember that. Okay. Next word, صادقين. 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 راجعين. 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 أبابيل. 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 تفاسير. 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 براكين. 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 كراريس. 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 تلاميذ. 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 Okay, the final part of our video. Find the mistake. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this part. And here, remember, now we got a lot of things to pay attention to. We got the vowels to pay attention to. Are you saying the vowels? You got the symbols, you got the letters. So this is how you're going to be testing yourself to make sure that you are in the right video. If you are unfamiliar with anything, go back to those videos where you find yourself struggling with. All right. Let's begin with the first word. مغاتيح. مغاتيح. Did you find the mistake? It is in the second letter. I pronounced the fa as a ghain. It should be مفاتيح. مفاتيح. Next word. تراكيب. تراكيب. Did you find the mistake? It is the vowel. I made it too long. It should be shorter than that. It should be تراكيب. تراكيب. The next word. تماثل. تماثل. Did you find the mistake? It's the ya. I dropped it. There is no ya vowel. It should be تماثيل. تماثيل. Next word. عراجين. عراجين. Did you catch the mistake? The mistake is thinking that there was a mistake. I actually pronounced that one correctly. All right. The last word. مذامير. مذامير. Catch the mistake? It's the second letter. I pronounced the za as a dhal. I said madha, and it should be maza. Correct pronunciation. Mazamiru. Mazamiru. Jazakum Allah khair, and inshallah we'll see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.